If you want to set up Google Assistant on your OnePlus 13 5G, first of all, open up your settings. After that, we're gonna scroll down to our Google tab. There it is. Now press All Services, scroll down to your Search, Assistant, and Voice. Now find your Google Assistant, press Voice Match, turn on your Hey Google option, press More, Agree, press Next. And now we have to calibrate it so it will work correctly. So let's press on Retrain Voice Match Model. And now we have to repeat the phrases on the screen. Hey Google, help me write a thank you note. Hey Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Okay Google, explain how a rainbow is formed. Okay Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Great, we set it up. Now let's try if it's working. Hey Google, what's the weather today?
In Prague, it'll be cloudy, with a high of 10 and a low of 2. Right now it's 10 and sunny.
Great, and basically that's it. That's how it works. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.